Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Sysdig, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Sysdig, begin by visiting the official Sysdig website. Locate the sign up or login option on the homepage. If you don't have an account, select sign up. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Check your email for a verification link from Sysdig. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Sysdig website. Click on the login option and enter your credentials. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the integrations section in the navigation menu. Choose the integration that suits your environment, such as Kubernetes or AWS. Follow the detailed instructions provided for that specific integration. Download any necessary software or agents as directed. Install the software or agents on your systems as instructed. Access your cloud console if required, and follow the authentication process. Ensure the Sysdig agent is running and collecting data properly. Explore the various features available in the Sysdig platform. Utilize the resources section for additional guides and support. Engage with the community forums if you have questions or need assistance. Start monitoring your environment through Sysdig's interface. Review the metrics and alerts to gain insights into your system's performance. Adjust your settings as needed based on your monitoring preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.